creating some distance from the traditional digital currencies. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade mechanized market producer to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on customary trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us view a portion of the extraordinary elements of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two shrewd agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has an extraordinary element and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in completely eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, taking out the brokers or consent completely. Thus, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Subsequently, the liquidity gets administered for these parts appropriately. As a decentralized convention for computerized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was enchantment for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned moguls on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, a flood of stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty Uniswap cost forecast. Uniswap, figuring out details. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the mechanical and practical ecospace. Uni supports trust alongside comfort, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost dispassionately. The connection among market interest is the well-established peculiarity of incongruous connection works for Uni token. Merchants come to advertise with goals that the Uniswap digital money market they hold will guarantee extraordinary returns. Nonetheless, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting methodologies or any elective ebb and flow venture choice. On the off chance that the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be smart for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token for a tremendous scope, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stock might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will serious areas of strength for show. Right now, the cost of $40 as shown by Uniswap is moderate, however crafty, and can shoot to better level. According to Uniswap Uni cost forecasts, this is the most fitting opportunity to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing broker. To comprehend the value variances of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past annal of Uniswap. Uniswap, the well-qualified assessment. While the underlying stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for Uni projections to construct that trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer in the most recent 24 hours. Cost stands tall at the cost of $40.30 today. Here are numerous crypto specialists who think that Uni has colossal potential and energize financial backers, giving sparkling suggestions to trade as underneath for this advanced resource by giving Uniswap expectation. At last beam of trust, there is potential for uniting patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher feeling. As per Uniswap estimate, the cost might reach 79 cents toward the finish of December 2022 temporarily. Uniswap has accomplished one of the best 10 situations in digital currencies this year, and as per Uniswap cost forecasts, the exhibition may be completely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. As per Uniswap cost expectation, Uniswap could fill triple in 6 years, say by 2026. In the following 5 years, it ought to have a reasonable meeting around $30 to $40. As per Uni cost expectation, Uniswap appears to show a bullish pattern, which demonstrates a positive sign to a financial backer for getting a gigantic return from Uniswap. As indicated by Uniswap value forecast and specialized examination, Uniswap has a splendid future. It might have marginally impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2023 and its cost might blow the rooftop, crossing $60. Uniswap value expectation, 2022 to 2026. The main alleviation factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of separation with regards to monetary forms. The vast majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar sad destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet catching the conflict of the leftover titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market tutors infer the bull run could be far off, while the others banter totally in an unexpected way. The cost graph is referenced here alongside the Uniswap forecast. The ongoing cost of Uni is above $10, with the computerized resource Uni token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563. It is without a doubt a confidence in crypto space winning in the far skyline in view of Uniswap cost gauge. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have immense distinction. Uniswap value expectation 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a quick sharp remedy toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the primary year, as per Uni cost expectation 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value forecast 2023, fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17 as per Uniswap cost expectation 2023. The cost of Uniswap might show some opposition, yet it can't be said with sureness about the positive difference in cost of Uni regarding whether these 3 years would stamp the brilliant time for this digital currency Uni. There could be a few huge changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, financial overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. Uni, notwithstanding, is known to be strong and steady. Both worldwide financial aspects may too affect Uniswap cost development. As per Uniswap expectation, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per Uni cost expectation, that value rectification may likewise be powerful around this period, taking the Uniswap cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market producer. In the principle, around 50% of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Area explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap. Consequently, coming towards its advanced objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the Uni token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having upset the whole worldwide page of exchanges, Uni token sets out on the journey of leaving an exceptional impression on this environment. Uniswap value expectation 2025. According to Uniswap value expectation and our own examination, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that Uni would ride the buyer market by 2025. Uni could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, certifying its position showing soundness. As per Uniswap forecast, in the primary half, it would go up to $16 and the greatest cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap value expectation 2026. As per Uni cost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the main half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap conjecture fascination for brokers and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into Unikitty. And we could see positive cost change. Uniswap, a rising end. As per Uniswap cost expectation, there are incredible expectations the crypto